Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm recreating a Halloween candy corn look I did last year. It was one of my most favorite Halloween looks and I failed to make a pairing nail art tutorial for it, so here we are. In last year's look, I did a pumpkin for the accent nail and decided to fully skip out on that idea this year and go full on candy corn crazy. I'll make sure to have my original look of this linked down below for reference. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, you're in the right place, so keep on watching. I'm starting out by protecting my natural nails and applying one coat of base coat. Once the base coat is fully dry, I'm going in with 2 coats of a purple holographic glitter nail polish. The glitter nail polishes from the Girly Bits Sequins and Satin Pants collection bring forth mind-blowing coverage even with just that first coat. To seal the glitter in place, I'm applying a generous coat of top coat. For this look, I'll be using the reverse stamping technique. I'm starting off by taking a black stamping polish over top What's Up Nails stamping plate B023 and picking up the image with my stamper. All products used in this video will of course be linked down below. To color in the candy corn images, I'll be using 3 holographic nail polishes and a nail art detail brush. While coloring in the candy corn images, I'm being mindful to keep a stippling motion as dragging the nail art brush may lift the black lines, so be very gentle and cautious when doing this step. Before I go ahead and place the image onto my nail, I turn the stamper over to see if I've in fact filled all areas in properly. This gives me a chance to go back and refill any missing gaps if needed. In this case, everything looks pretty good to me. Once you're happy with the filled in areas, set the stamper head aside to allow the image to fully dry down before transferring onto the nails. Transferring the image right away or too soon after will result in the nail polish overflowing outside the outlined areas. If you have more than one stamper, feel free to do these all at the same time instead of doing one nail at a time. Before transferring the image onto my nail, I'm applying 1 coat of a liquid latex barrier to protect my skin and cuticle area of any excess image and also helps for a much easier cleanup. Now that the image on the stamper is fully dried down, I'm transferring it onto my nail. The beauty of using a clear stamper is that you can be very precise with your placement. Now that the image is transferred, I'm carefully cleaning up the sidewall and cuticle area to allow for a better peel of the liquid latex. When reverse stamping, sometimes the filled in areas can be a bit thicker, so if the overflowing image isn't cleaned up properly, it allows for the possibility of lifting parts of the image off the nail when removing the liquid latex barrier. Using slanted tweezers, I've peeled off the liquid latex and as you can see, it definitely helped for a much easier cleanup. Lastly, I'm sealing in the design using a final generous layer of top coat. So here we have the final and completed look with all my nails in a frame. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, even though it took me an entire year to do. Let me know in the comments down below if you're team candy corn or if you just think it's the most repulsive thing ever created like I do. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you back in the next one. Until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!